Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make chicken parmesan. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 egg, a pound of chicken breast, a cup of grated Parmesan, a cup of olive oil, a half cup of panko breadcrumbs, a half cup of normal breadcrumbs, a half cup of your favorite marinara sauce, a half cup of shredded mozzarella, a quarter cup of whole milk, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of dried basil, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by whisking together our egg, quarter cup of milk, tablespoon of minced garlic, and teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Next, we'll pat our chicken breasts dry with a paper towel, cut the breasts in half, and hammer them flat with a meat mallet between a sheet of plastic wrap. Then we'll coat our breast pieces in the egg mixture and allow our chicken to sit in it for at least an hour. While our chicken is soaking, we'll preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and heat our oil on the stovetop over medium-high heat. While our oven and oil are heating, we'll mix together our half cup of panko breadcrumbs, half cup of normal breadcrumbs, a half cup of our grated Parmesan, our teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of dried basil. Once our oil has finished heating, we'll coat our chicken in our breadcrumb mixture and fry it in our oil for 2 minutes per side before transferring it to a baking sheet. So the bottom of my chicken doesn't get soggy, I'm also going to place mine on a metal rack. Then we'll top each of our chicken pieces with about 2 tablespoons each of our marinara sauce, shredded mozzarella, and remaining shredded Parmesan. Then we'll bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll remove our chicken from the oven and allow it to rest for 5 minutes before serving. We'll serve this with some spaghetti and garlic bread. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.